Academic writing is an essential part of higher education and research, and it requires a specific set of skills and conventions. Here are 7 effective ways to improve your academic writing. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. Number 1. Understand the assignment. It is crucial to carefully read and understand the instructions and requirements of the assignment. This will help you focus your writing and ensure that you meet all the expectations of the assignment. Number 2. Develop a clear and concise thesis statement. Your thesis statement should clearly state the main argument or point you are making in your writing. This will help guide your writing and ensure that your ideas are well organized and focused. Number 3. Use formal language. Academic writing should use a formal style of language. Avoid using slang, colloquialisms, and contractions. Use appropriate academic vocabulary and sentence structure. Number 4. Use credible sources. Use sources that are reputable and relevant to your topic. This includes academic journals, books, and other scholarly sources. Number 5. Organize your writing effectively. Use a clear and logical structure to organize your writing. Use headings and subheadings to guide the reader and help them follow your arguments. Number 6. Revise and edit. Review your writing carefully and make any necessary revisions. Look for errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Consider the clarity and coherence of your writing. Number 7. Seek feedback and learn from it. Ask for feedback on your writing from peers, professors, or writing center tutors. Listen to the feedback and use it to improve your writing in the future. Improving your academic writing takes time and practice. By following these effective strategies, you can enhance your writing skills and produce high-quality work. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe to Cudy to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.